Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Shibceo token. Now today I already went over all the new Doge CEO tokens in one live stream. There's like 4 or 5 new Doge CEO tokens out. There's a ton of CEO tokens out lately. A lot of them did pretty well at first. This one was doing well earlier today. Right now it's down 17.9%, but you never know what could happen here. It just got listed on CoinMarketCap. Brand new listing in the past like 24 hours or so. Shibceo, all one word, is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. We're going to go over the information on this token in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Shibceo. So Shibceo.com is their official webpage. You can find that listed now on CoinMarketCap, along with their Block Explorer, which is a BSC scan. Their Twitter is on here. You can find their Twitter at Shibceo. They also have a Telegram on here. They have a, and a full white paper as well, along with the price chart and contract address are all on here. So it says this token is available on PancakeSwap. So basically, if you want to get this token, all you'd have to do is simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, then go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for the Shibceo token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their BSC scan or their webpage or white paper. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And according to their BSC scan here, it says they have 3,764 holders already, 11,540 transfers, 9 decimal places, and a max total supply here, that's a million, billion, 420 quadrillion tokens. Now, if you go over to their webpage, you can find a 12-page white paper. It says Shibceo, Elon Musk plus Doge, and Shib plus Twitter, 100% meme coin. So the executive summary here, it says Shibceo is a unique and innovative meme coin that combines the power of Elon Musk's passion for dogs, Twitter's viral potential, and Shib's strength as a meme coin. Our decentralized platform, supported by a unique tokenomics model, allows community to engage in a self-sustaining ecosystem that promotes long-term growth and adoption. So the cryptocurrency market has witnessed a dramatic shift in the past few years with the emergence of meme coins such as Shib. Shib has proven to be a powerful force in the crypto space with a market capitalization of several billion dollars. We believe that combining the best of Shib and Elon Musk's passion for dogs and Twitter's viral potential, we can create a truly groundbreaking meme coin that will drive adoption and long-term growth. So it says Shibceo is a revolutionary meme coin that combines the best of Elon Musk's dogs, Twitter's viral potential, and Shib. The project aims to create a community-driven, decentralized platform that leverages the power of blockchain to make it transparent, secure, profitable. Shibceo is a decentralized... They're just kind of repeating themselves over and over here. What the heck? They repeated themselves like 3 times in a row. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, so scroll down there. looks like page 4 of their white paper is irrelevant and just repeats itself. Innovations of Shibceo as a meme coin. Well, one, it's a reflective token, so rewards holders and discourages short-term trading. Number 2, strong community. Strong foundation and passionate and dedicated community. Number 3, strategic partnerships. Building strategic partnerships with other blockchain projects and companies. Number 4, active development. Improve and expand our meme coin platform. So, Shib's token economics are designed to ensure long-term growth. Project has a total supply of 420 billion tokens. The transaction tax for every buy and sell is 10% with the following distribution. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from PancakeSwap, you most likely will have to set your slippage somewhere around 10% because of those taxes. So yes, and then they repeat themselves some more. We'll skip over that. So 5% holding rewards. This is distributed to all holders of Shibceo tokens, encouraging them to hold on to their tokens for the long term. So you get 5% reflections. There is a 3% buyback and burn. So this is used to buy back and burn Shibceo tokens, reducing the total supply and increasing the value of remaining tokens. And 2% marketing and development. This is used to fund marketing and development activities, including partnerships, advertising, and community outreach. So, 50% of the tokens are going to be burnt. So this is token allocation now. 33% of the tokens went to pre-sale. 17% of the tokens went to liquidity. I do believe I saw this token on Pink Sale. So that's probably where the pre-sale was. And then now it's just on PancakeSwap. So they have a roadmap on here. Phase 1, complete pre-sale and launch Twitter influencers. Community and channel influencers, crypto websites, promotion, audit and KYC, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Binance, Ask Me Anythings, buyback and burn. Phase 2, 10,000 holders, Shibceo NFT launch. Then they're going to have their Shibceo swap. Crypto influencers, buyback and burn, listing on central exchange. Phase 3 is going to be 5,000 holders. Top central exchanges, buyback and burn, a Shibceo chain, partnership with other blockchain companies. Phase 4, 100,000 holders, focus on global expansion, listing on Binance, and then to the moon. And then it's got some info about Elon Musk and dogs at the bottom of their page, so check that out as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about Shibceo? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.